Hey everyone, today is July 10th, 2023, and I just did some cat math, much like chicken math, except for it's cat math. I'm going to show you guys because, crazy cat games and all. So, if mommy was able to do president stuff, then, I would have 2 terms, hopefully, and so then I would be, 46, because I would be 38 by the time that, stuff happens. Oh, I messed up on my chicken math / cat math. Because then we could maybe train husband cat, and then husband cat, if he did a good job, he'd be able to do it for 8 years. And then O would be 18 this year. And then if it's 16 years of mommy cat and cat daddy, then she would be, or he, or me, or O would be 34. It says to be president, you have to be 35, but that's where we'd have to change our roles. We'd have to change the age from to 30 from 35, because technically, I think I remember that it's like they would have to be 35 when they're sworn in. So if that's it, then we'd be good. But if not, then we'd have to change the role, kind of like how the Queen of England changed the role so her granddaughter would be good. We'd have to do something like that, or we'd have to find someone for a term or 2. And then that would work out well for Iz, because Fiery Unicorn is 10 right now. And then if you add 16 years of mommy cat and cat daddy, then she would be 26. And then 8 years later, after Sissy gets done, then she would be 34. And then January 3rd, she would be 35. And then Charlie cat, after his sissy gets done, or his sissies get done, then he would be 2 if mommy was able to do president stuff. And then 8 years of mom, and then 10 years, and then he'd be 10. And then 8 years of daddy cat. Okay, let's go back. Mommy cat, 10. And then cat daddy would be, he'd be 18. And then 8 years of sissy. And then he would be 26. And then 8 years of Izzy, Fire Unicorn, and he'd be 34. And so on the 19th, he would be 35. So cat math, chicken math says, this is a good idea. So I think we should still keep going with it, because it all makes sense. Because then we have lots of years of just happy cats, and then everybody'd be a happy cat. And you guys could watch the whole process, because if they grew up being filmed and watched all the time, then they would just think it was normal. And then we'd be like, catfish. Bye.